Et là, j'ai compris. Et j'espère. Après, je dis pas que je sais que je reste un humain. Je sais que j'ai conscience des choses, mais des fois, je reste faible. Après, j'espère, c'est pour ça que je vais aller à l'épide. Au moins, je m'écarte des tentations, je suis loin de tout et pourquoi pas réussir.
White teeth, black leather. You and I would go good together, babe. Black soul, white feathers. You and I would go good together. That smile, I don't know whether you should break my heart or put me together. And those eyes, I don't know whether we should just stay friends or if we should get together. Right, baby, right. Right, baby, right. You and I would go good together.
I'm in Lyon, the historical gastronomic capital of France. It is also a town where you can get single-serve bottles of rosé. Cheers. Oh man, wow, Jesus Christ. Getting here has been pretty good. I've had great luck with the weather. It's just been extremely hot. I was following the Rhone more or less the whole way, but one of the locals told me about the fact that there's actually like a bicycle highway that you can take through the whole region. I have to say, it's not really my style.
It's fucking boring!
But it makes bicycle travel a lot more accessible. I mean, in Avignon, I saw families that had kids as young as maybe 12 or 13 that were doing the trail. So that's really quite impressive. I lost my shoes, but here the city is not flat and the sides are extremely steep. We are going to see how easily I get back to my rented apartment because it is up a huge fucking hill. Just like everything else in this region.
Unbelievable. This guy's fucking not scared of anything. Hey! Pig, get out of here! Get! Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I was intimidated. That thing did not look light. I was actually... I was kind of insulted, right? Like, I feel like I'm pretty intimidating in the middle of the night with a spotlight and making noise, but that pig just did not give a shit. Go! Keep moving! But actually, I don't really have any idea what you're supposed to do in the situation of being approached by a pig, so if you do, let me know. Oh! What a beautiful descent in the complete wrong direction. I hear the food here is pretty good. Hang on tight, we'll push the speed of light. Obey the groove tonight. We'll make it move tonight.
pleasant, although unfortunately kind of rainy town of Vichy, which I know will not require any introduction to my international viewers who already know the history of Vichy and its mints.
Somebody ought to take a picture for the folks back home. Hang on tight, we'll push the speed of light. Obey the groove tonight, we'll make you move tonight. Hang on tight, we'll boogie out of sight. Don't fight it, we're united tonight.
Tonight I'm stopping early, which gives me the opportunity to make my favorite cyclist drink, which is the Radler. Half grapefruit juice, half lager. Just squeeze off that head. How is it? Warm.
Huge industrial farms, no paved shoulder, unsafe passing conditions. Man, it feels like home.
Somebody run and check the radar. All systems go.
Where?
Hang on tight, we'll push the speed of light. Obey the groove tonight, we'll make you move tonight. Hang on tight, we'll boogie out of sight. Don't fight it, we're united. Hang on tight, we'll push the speed of light. Obey the groove tonight, we'll make you move tonight. Hang on tight, we'll boogie so right tonight. Tonight, we are united tonight. We are united.
So that is the story of how I made the move from Marseille to Paris. Saclay. You might say that I go to school in Paris the way that I'm from Toronto. The commute is quite striking, which is great, because otherwise it would be kind of long. Yeah, I've got a little bit more to say, starting with Lyon.
I guess I gotta apologize for making fun of French hunters in the last trip, because I'm actually pro hunting now because there's too much fauna in France. I have been approached by wild boars. I think 3 out of the 5 nights that I've camped out. They're everywhere. Like that. What are they eating?
I'm in Avignon, a town known for having a papal palace, which is an artifact from the 14th century. The papacy stayed here in Avignon for about 70 years, and that's actually when the succession crisis happened. After that, there were 2 competing claims to the papacy, one in Avignon and one in Rome. Since then, having a parallel claim to the original product has been given the shorthand of Avignon Papacy, but hundreds of years later, this would just be abbreviated to Pepsi.
Oh, like I haven't heard that before. Oh, that's bouncy. This is one of Caesar's encampments. These ruins represent a 1900-year tradition of setting up your tent first and asking about local squatting laws later.
These artifacts represent a 2,000-year tradition of not picking up your goddamn broken glass.
I'm French.
That's a wrap. Thanks for watching. I had a great time on this trip. I'm glad to share it with you guys. Yeah, I mean, I kind of just want to meditate for a... I also just want to take a moment to thank everybody who has sent me some encouragement since my last trip in February and January. You know, these treks are a pretty good test of my gumption. And I nearly called this one off due to some pretty challenging conditions over the summer. So, yeah, thanks a lot. this summer was pretty tough, but this is a really rewarding way to spend it. Yeah. All right. Cool. I will catch you next time.